Yeah, man, from here the voice, you don't know, say a Bones, or a Guan, when a Depan. Welcome forward to Sandy and Bones TV. Yo, you know, so makeup make people can look young. The Queen look young, though. Queen hot out for a party later on, man. You don't know, say, do we go live today, no? Yeah, man, we have that video they forward up in the Z. So, on the Depan, drop a like on the video and eat. Do it out and night from Queen here, Z. Man, I prepare for him job and something. Yo, but we have a next video with Skatta. You don't know Bounty this thing where they so I'm forward on him Instagram live yesterday. He might defend himself, you see it. I don't know, we just have the video here showing where he must say certain things. You see it, so if you want the full video, you can go check it out on him page, you see it. Yeah, man, you don't know. You must see your Ishawna artist and defend Ishawna with everything what she do. You see it, and even don't know say Ishawna go style Bounty. You see it. Yeah, man. So just that him have to say still and him talk some other things, but you don't know, you have to watch the video to hear it. You see it. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. I'm out.
Love and respect the dancehall culture and the reggae culture and everybody. Big up on yourself, man. It was great. Trust me, in the morning, 6 o'clock, when I saw I went up and see Josh, I think, and I see a sea of people out there same way, and then I see Skeng run on, and I still see a sea of people out there. You know, say the youth them now, the young artists them, we can stop bash them. We can allow for the youth them a little bit now because the man them hold the crowd, you know. The youth them now, me used to bash them and say, hey, but them prove themselves, say, yo, them can hold an audience. And I tell you, I know that there's a lot of questions. First, let me start with Ishawna's performance. You know, so Ishawna, I'm an artist, so I'm gonna always cheer for her. Now, I'm gonna be a hypocrite. I will never say she's not a good performer because I know she's a great performer. I know that she had 1 week to prepare for the show, and she went out there and she killed it. As I say, she's an artist, so I'm have to cheer for her. All who never know say she's my artist, Ishawna, my artist. You know me? As far as she bringing out cardboard cutout, Town Sound Entertainment was not aware of Ishawna's set. They saw Ishawna rehearsal, but you know, saying a rehearsal, most artists don't really reveal what they're gonna do on stage. You know what I say? So no one knew about that. But I was aware of what Ishawna was gonna do. I saw her cutouts. I knew her plans that she had for her career and what she was gonna do on stage. And I had no objections to it. People can say my support slackness. I wanna think dancehall is, what's my deal? Think dancehall is one nice place. All of a sudden, enough people. Whole heap of man, boy. See, I live some dirty life, some sick, loudest mouth. When it comes to little boy, I gotta have that over me to declare myself. I push up my hand in a dance just to feel like me's a part. Me prefer when I think when I want to. But no man not gonna get me to address that. Never. And I mean that. Now, if you want to be somebody else, go right on ahead. Because me not rely upon no man. Me not beg nobody. That's why the first thing me not beg no man nothing. Before me beg, me do without. Me no party, so me not going on a party or setting a champagne on a table I try to prove nothing to nobody. Me run my business and pay my bills them and employ people and put them to work.
Oh God, man, I hear that. You know me can't see my father upon the live and me no come connect in, man. That is it. Hear me I say to you know, when you see on the internet, you left it on the internet, you hear that, you hear that chat. The chat about we right, you say, so many people tune in already. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, we left that on the internet, my God.
Brother, you're not have to say party, brother. Remember, you're not party, man. Remember, good love, life, man.
I want, man, I want.
Remember, no, my God, man.
I want, man, you hear that.
I want connect, I done.
I want, man. Nothing less, nothing more, you hear that.
If you send us some flight info in a real life, I want me to chop a one flight, go a one part or one place.
Yo, you don't know a thing in there. You have mechanic in the man. You have the realest connect in, so you don't know a thing going on.
That's why I say rough, and I'm gonna put
You
some
get me?
yeah. Because some people are like, I'm here, right, person to make a flight there. See me there?
You know, for you say program, man, you don't know it much so, man. You hear that?
Tough lad. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're wondering who I'm talking to right now, I'm talking to one of the kings, just like myself, the man Dewey himself. Make sure you're gonna check out the Dream Plum products, people. Make sure me I
That
get
is
quiet,
it.
someone here. Make
That
sure me
is
I get
it. I
quiet.
want
Yes.
change your climate, you understand it? Have to change the formula, and my God. You hear that? Never lie.
Yes.
Never.
Yes.
You understand what I
So,
say?
I hear family that general, yeah?
Oh.
That man over that side, you don't know him.
No, I don't know
That,
him. If you look familiar in a sense, yes. Where you come from, God?
You mean a US man, in a US Bridgeport,
That
Connecticut.
that is it. You the near my mother, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man, I
okay,
can't
boss.
pick what she connect up, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. See,
True.
you can't be part of a family same way, I don't even know, dog.
Never
Real
lazy,
talk.
never. No
That
lazy.
is it. That is it.
No lazy.
True.
Alright, Father Jack, here we go on. I real life. Big up yourself and continue to bless up yourself. I'll keep the link. Here, my father.
True. Me now go stop do
Connect,
me
you
thing,
connect with
man,
the
because
God.
right now me are investing in myself.
I
Alright.
mean, if you not do your thing, you know, my God, nobody not do it for you, you know, so you have to do your stuff, you know, where
Yeah,
you
in a
believe
real
in it.
life. In a real life. You know, says I'm an artist. That you have a flow, but I
Me I
don't know what
listen
you
him, man. Me I listen him. I
real
wonder if him,
talk.
I wonder if him can give me one of them big hit the way him have, you know?
You don't know, say, him give me a play a while ago. Blessing!
What are you bringing me in this
Fuck,
life for, brother?
blood.
I'm
Oh,
not gonna decline you, but what do you want? What do you want, mate?
what
You
you
got
mean?
money for me,
What
mate?
you mean? Bro, one of my fathers was in fucking England, fam. What you saying, bro?
You got some money for me, fam? I'm outside.
Yo,
Summer
Are you
holiday.
getting it, boss?
family
If you're
time,
not the
family
money,
time. Love
if you're
time.
not money talk, don't call the phone in there, hear that?
Yeah,
Def?
what?
I'm
Game
gonna
time.
allow you alone because you're
Hey,
outside with the
hey,
family. Yeah.
hey, what one? What you telling me?
I'm blessed, fam, only because I haven't seen you from them time too. From you came forward from Jamaica, I haven't seen you too.
I know I'm black out there in like 3 weeks.
All right, then we're gonna talk because I'm gonna be flying out as well.
Yeah, oh,
When,
team me your number and I'll shout you. You
I
know I'm not
will, I
gonna
will.
decline you, but yeah, I'm off.
All right,
Big up,
never.
man.
I know, I know, I know. Ladies and
when
gentlemen,
you
I'm back
when
over.
you plan for when you plan for do something, God, you not forget no time frame, no, you understand?
Next month, with the yard, man.
Oh, boy, me just start putting back some hours, my father. Me can't jump up.
Wagwan. Please
Me
do
can't.
Wagwan, brother.
Me can't jump up, my God, cause I want to tell you, say, since they them go so book and say, alright, then watch you no man official, you understand?
Yeah,
Start
yeah,
training me the
yeah.
depend and thing, and you understand me I say? So you know it's a good look next week, the following week, and the rest of the week, them, you understand me I say?
I the same procedure right now, my bro. Remember, the Canada not play deep, you know, brother.
I want to know a thing come down from my father, man.
Right, yes, sir.
Mm.
Dewey is my new
Right now, me
hero.
I tell you, say, Dewey are my hero right now. I chink off Nanny off I board. I replace her with Dewey. Hero Dewey. I 200,000 euro now, man. I can woman go for it and them I run away with next man. It happened to me personally. Dewey, don't go back. Oh, God. Don't go back. Wall out. Wall out, Dewey. Watch blood clot, pretty hot skin girl there in England. Don't go back. When them a run well left, we go on to young boy and then sitting there doing a rich man. Don't go back. Do me one, you know? Do me can one girl go far in 2013, do it, or 2014, and she run away in 2 weeks. Same thing, do it. I mean, never mad. Hold it out, do it. I tell her. Eh? When you see how we paying